Truth does not, first of all, exist in a vacuum. So, in order for us to seek out the truth of the scripture, we are going to need to have to read from verse number 1, verse 2, verse 3, verse 4. Now, to save us time, I will do some. Timothy was busy mentoring, Paul was busy mentoring Timothy about how do you bring forth leaders, how do leaders emerge. And then he said, if you are going to make an episcopus, the Greek word is episcopus, epi above, scopus head. If you are going to have an overseer or a senior minister, another translation will be using the word bishop. Let him be such a man that will be doing the things written from verse 1 until verse 3. And then it says, one that will dwell in his house, and his children in subjection with all gravity. Now, we have established already our coordinates that truth is bound in a context. But there is also a second law of truth, that truth, there is a principle of omission. So truth, you can have from the context, extract a general law to be able to indicate truth is making sense. So one of the things I like for us to focus on is the term gravity. In a different translation, it will use a different word. But I want us to see how that word is being built. Perhaps we need to also look at the mentorship that Paul gave to Titus, chapter 2, verse number 7. And then we will study this word. I have delivered to us, satisfied the demands of hermeneutics and homiletics. I've explained to us how the scripture came about. But our main focus is we are going to zoom into the word gravity. Titus chapter 2, verse 7. Did I